slowly drifting.
Today we are on a kayaking mission. You're coming along with me. Here's me. I'm the Blue Moon beer bottle. Today, you've seen I've gone to Amscott store, so that's the pin for Amscott, right? Okay. Now, as we go out through the video here today, we're gonna cruise on around. We're gonna come on over here. See this pine cone over here? Okay. That's where my truck is, right? Dexterra. So we're gonna start from there. We're gonna avoid the police, and that is this shell of a horseshoe crab. The horseshoe crab actually bleeds purple, I believe, and they molt their shell every so often. And here's one of them. That was actually probably a female because it's a larger one. The male will often ride on the back of them for reasons science can't explain in the National Geographic shows. So that's the cops. We're going to be cruising along to 4 islands. Okay. So the pine cone truck, island 1. Then we're going to go over here, island 2. Then over here to island 3. And then 4. Okay. And it's going to be an exciting day because there's a bonus island, and you're going to have access to bonus island. And bonus island's somewhere over here. So, are you along for the adventure? Yes. Well, here we are. We're off. We're off on an adventure. Just one pebble in the sea, and just a short moment to be. Nothing stopping you. Go do it. Pedal to the metal. Become. Be. It's beautiful. Alright, so we just got to the next island here. And this is the island of sales. Or of sleazy car salesmen, I should say. So, I was taught by my older brother. Thank you, Keith. I'm sure he's changed since then on this ideal. But he told me, he's a good salesman. I got to tell you, Keith, you're good, and you're doing good. I'm glad. I really am. Bless you, okay? Been a lot of years. Okay, so, but you taught me when I was younger, the difference between a salesman and a con man is a con man will lie to you, to convince you to buy from them or to receive money or whatever it is, A salesman won't necessarily lie, but they won't tell you the whole truth. For example, like a car salesman. The car salesman knows this car. He knows the car is pretty much a piece of crap or knows what's wrong with it in different ways. But upon sale, he won't disclose that. He just talks about its wonderful features and benefits and so on, and never discloses that in the sale. So, is that deceitful? Yes. Is it fraudulent? Yeah, sure. So it really comes down to just unraveling that whole idea and just starting from the beginning with honesty. Straight from the beginning. And, there's nothing wrong with providing an inferior product or service. Just let people know exactly what it is. And that's what I intend to do with everything. And I hope you do too. So this is Sleazy Car Salesman Island. Welcome. Beautiful. What do we have here? Pepsi. Alright, if you see my other commercials, check this out. Don't even want to touch it. This here is a Pepsi Cola. Totally full and unopened. And looking pretty clean. And seeing that I've been out on the water all day, 3-4 hours or whatever, that's going to be nice. Pepsi Cola. And I'm going to keep this in the video so long as Pepsi pays me some money. So, otherwise, Pepsi Cola is not going to be my choice of my drink of choice. Made with real sugar. They didn't fake the sugar, dude. It's kind of feeling a little slime going outside. I don't know, I'll have to think about that one. Pepsi Cola. Like I said, I don't drink Pepsi, but today I just might drink Pepsi. Beautiful island, man. Alright, full path, right? This is the part of the video where I'm going to edit in some Grateful Dead. Well, I made up my mind. I've made up my mind to sell the Xterra. I know. It's become such a character in the show, but like I said, it's my third vehicle in a year. The first one was a Jeep. Pretty cool vehicle. Could pretty much dominate any terra. You know what language you speak. Then I had another Xterra, and that one rusted out. POS. Got another Xterra, the Silver Bullet. That thing, I put like 40,000 miles on it. I don't know, whenever since I got back from Hawaii and everything. I should have made videos then. The Hawaii was cool, I don't know, whatever. I rode my motorcycle to the top of the volcano on the Big Island. And the other volcano. Pretty cool, through the lava fields and stuff. And did the South Point, saw whales on the dirt bike. You know, everyone walks, you know, to, what is it, Green Sand Beach. They do it all day walking. Dude, I was like doing roosters and Berman. These people are walking, sweating. That was great. See the photos? Here's some photos of that experience. I want to do that again. Take me there, and I'll take you there too. Let's rent some dirt bikes. I don't recommend doing it much because it's dangerous, but it was fun. I did it by myself, actually. Sketchy. You'd be surprised though, that Yamaha with stock jet, I think it was stock jet, made it to the top of that volcano. I had to get it right in the right sweet spot, you know, to get the mixture right. Barely putted my way up to the top of there. Fun, man. Alright, so this is that, and that's here. Loving it. It's like Yogi Bear Island, I'll call it. Okay. You have to buy my stuff, okay? My stuff is here. And I'm over here, okay? You're here. You're the beer. You are the beer, okay? Here. You say blue moon. I'm a beer. I have money. You have stuff, Tyler. Tyler over here in the shadow because he's been ghostwriting along. So you here in blue moon drunk? You're all drunk. So PayPal button, you push the button, push the button to pay Tyler. So Tyler go to Amscott no more Amscott. That's how this video work. Hey Tyler. Okay. I know some of you are like, yeah Tyler, you know, you were in your truck laughing at the Clearwater police. Yeah. Well, you deserve it, right? I know exactly what everyone's thinking. You deserve it, don't you? But the thing is, I am committed, with your help, to making it all worth it and making these videos go viral. So I need you to share this video right here, and particularly my YouTube channel. And just let them know what's going on over here in Clearwater, Florida. Now, Tyler needs your viral marketing injection, okay? So that's what you're gonna do. There's you. Once again, you are the Blue Moon drunk bottle. Tyler Carty over here. And Scott. Pay me, okay? Take an action now. Hit that PayPal button. And invest into Tyler Carty's copyright, or at least let me write a press release about you. Hire me to write a press release for you. Right now, it's like I'll do $89. I'll get that thing syndicated to 25 internet press release sites, including writing the press release too. Okay, so you're drunk right here in the Blue Moon. You hit buy now, and it will all happen automatically. and then pay me in like 7 days. 7 days flat. You have that press release all syndicated out, and a bunch of links for you to plug. They can be satire, what, you know, just crazy stuff. I don't care. Whatever you want. I really want to write for like Globe or Inquirer. Not really about celebrities, just about crazier stuff like aliens and fun. You know, have fun. It's just about having fun. Okay? The aliens do exist. There's like a bazillion, freaking gazillion more sand than anything like planets. Wow, it's a pine cone, dude. I found a pine cone. It's a big one. When the Florida wildlife sees this, they're gonna be like, holy crap. Tyler found a freaking big pine cone. They're not pine cones on the island in Florida. They're supposed to be coconuts. No, it's a pine cone. Touch it. It's rock and rollin'. That's TylerCarty.com. TylerCarty.com. .com for the Spanish-speaking friends out there. I want you to go there, subscribe to me, get your free downloads. I got a bunch of free stuff in there. I got a comment section at the bottom. I'm looking to fill my page up with your comment now. And do that now. Share. There's some share buttons on the website. Share my website to your friends. Let's leverage the power of social media to make me go viral and spread the goodwill that Tyler Carty, myself, has to offer to you, the world, and the future in my way. TylerCarty.com. Alright. I'm pretty tired. That was a long day of kayaking. And we still have to go find the spirit of Tony Robbins tree, where the spirit of Tony Robbins rocks out with Elvis. It's a tree light up spectacular. So I'm tired. I just had myself some tuna salad. My protein levels just totally dropped, and when they drop, I get kind of lightheaded and the videos won't turn out as well. And so, you know, in Hollywood, food is a priority. And so, I'm in Hollywood, and food is my priority. Well, I just came across from those islands over there. You see those islands in the distance? I have the window up just because of the wind's been a problem, but some more over there you see way in the distance. All these islands over here, little spoil islands. So, this is your bonus footage. I was just coming in on the kayak, you can see the winds pushing in, right? And I was thinking to myself, how cool would it be, God, if you could just give me a sign that I'm on the right path, you know, with these videos, you know, and business, and you know what I'm saying. And, you know, I thought it'd be something kind of cool, like maybe a pelican jumps into the water, or you know, I've actually seen big manta rays jump out of the water, you know. And in the Indian myths, the seminal Indian myths here in Florida, there's animal signs, and you know, it's fun to think about it, you know, right? So, well, right when I was thinking that, I get this voice, God's voice, and God said to me, he's like, here you go, let me just blow you in. And as you can see, there's lots of wind, and that's how simple it is. I'm on the right path. And social media is about to flip on its freaking head, because all we get for it to work now is you have to make it your life. So that's what's happening. You're on the journey, folks. And about the current situation I'm in. They need to make me some freaking money, right? Let's get these videos to make me some money. Just burn it out, dude. Yeah, do it again. Yeah, change the world. I'm sure it would be nice if I had my flying car now, but apparently I'm not responsible enough. Cheap it, dude. Cheap it. Yeah. This is the Dunedin Causeway, and this is where everyone goes to party, and the cops don't even care. You can come here, camp out all night long. Cops won't care. You know what? I've seen some things here that I can't even mention here because this is supposed to be G-rated, PG rated. So, no, I'm kidding. No, actually, I'm joking. Like I said, I'll tell you what I'm joking. This place shuts down probably at 9 or so. So don't bring your drugs and alcohol and other debauchery. And to be frank, Kern's orange juice. Back to the jam. You know, it makes you wonder why you wouldn't want them to stamp whoever it is supposed to. Synchronicity. And as a writer, synchronicity is something that I notice a lot when I'm writing and listening to music. Just, I'll be writing and oddly and repetitively, kind of my thoughts will randomly line up in synchronicity with the lyrics of the song just so often, but it's almost a pattern, which is interesting. And so, as a creative writer, I've learned that these patterns are kind of a sign that you're on the right track, and to keep going, keep writing, and to kind of listen to them for more of those kind of, I guess, creative hints. Is that crazy? Absolutely. I can't see myself. How's the camera? How's it look? Start again. So I'm not quite sure what's worse. The smell of U-Haul, inside of the U-Haul trucks, the smell of Amscott, or the smell of a thrift store. So I'm out here at the thrift store, and I'm thinking about stinky smells, like smells and like businesses and advertising and how they're trying to do that now. Well, how they are doing it. So like a thrift store has a smell. Everyone knows the smell of a thrift store, unless you're rich. But people like me know the smell of a thrift store. So these smells make you want to go to a car wash. And there's a car wash right there. Right? So now, every time that you think of U-Haul, Amscott, instead of being clean, you're going to be like, I need to go to the car wash. What is that? I mean, I walked into Amscot today. I was just like, I thought my jacket even smelled like afterwards for like an hour. My nose. So anytime you go to Amscot or U-Haul, you have to afterwards go to the car wash, and you might as well just jump in there with your car. Afterwards, finish it off. I'm always about the details, because if you're gonna do something, I'm the type of person that will look at it and be like, you know what, you missed some details. So afterwards, take your ass on over to the detail center, take a break on this red bench, and be excited about your car wash. So I'm gonna go hop on the Xterra. That seems to be offering me intermittent problems. So hopefully it keeps running. If it doesn't, I might just have to drop it off. You know, I might just launch it somewhere illegally, of course, in a legal spot. We'll see. Well, it runs.